In this video, we're going to look at the 30, 60, 90 special right triangle one more time, this time with an emphasis on the 60-degree angle. So again, the side ratios, if you didn't watch the last video, will always be in the ratio of 1, square root 3, and 2. There's a sample problem in the last video that I would encourage you to go watch if you need to. I'm going to go ahead and assume you've seen that, so I'm going to jump right into the unit circle with my 30, 60, 90 triangle. So I'm going to draw a right triangle inside the unit circle, this time positioning the 60-degree angle at the origin. It is still a unit circle, so I know that the hypotenuse measures 1. The short leg here crossing the 30 has to be half of the hypotenuse, so 1/2. And the long leg is the short leg times the square root of 3. So again, just like we had in the last video, that's going to give us the square root of 3 over 2. So we've got our measurements on that right triangle. We should be able to go ahead and find now our sine, cosine, and tangent of our 60-degree angle. So starting with the sine, 60 degrees, it's the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So square root of 3 over 2. Cosine of 60 degrees, it's the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So 1/2. And then the tangent of 60 degrees. So this is going to be the opposite over the adjacent. So let's write that out. It's square root 3 over 2 over 1/2. Here the simplifying is going to be a little bit easier than it was on the last problem. Cancel out these 2's. We end up with the square root of 3 over 1, which is just the square root of 3. So the tangent of 60 degrees is the square root of 3. So there you have our special triangle, 30, 60, 90 degrees. Focus on the 60 degrees and what's the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of 60 degrees.